Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are at and get you right out of the way.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Clint Eastwood, and a few other names he's got. Anywho, here we are. You just drove your car all winter long, all right? You've got salt that came in on your shoes. You have salt that was probably on you. You ran your air conditioner. No, you ran your heater. And that heat dries out your leather and your vinyl on top of all your trim. But we're going to focus on cleaning up your seats, your leather and your vinyl seats, because of the abuse that you went through in the wintertime driving. Also, with the cold that you're dealing with up there in the northern part, you will suck the moisture out of your leather and your vinyl as well. Simple process. Let's get cracking. And we're only going to use 3 products, and you get all those in the tools list in the show more down below. You have to click show more, and there's all the tools. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is clean it, and we're going to use this cleaner right here, this cleanser. All we have to do is spray it on. And you take your best microfiber towels in the entire world and you just clean it up. This will get all the salt, all the garbage that you've managed to put on your seat, because you can't really clean your vehicle real well in the wintertime unless you have a climate controlled garage. But there was a little bit of gum right here on this spot and it came right off. That's the power of this cleaner, and it's safe for all of your stuff. You can use it on your leather steering wheel. You can use it here on your trim. So let's clean this up and focus. Stay focused now, Mad Mike. And this is actually the fun time of the year for us because we get to do all kinds of put your vehicle back into the condition it should be. Now, if you don't love your car, and it doesn't matter whether you have a Prius or a Lamborghini, if you don't love your car, then this is probably not a process for you. All right, nice and clean. We'll get that right there while we're doing it. Now we're going to use this product right here. Then we shake it up good. We put a little bit on a new microfiber. And this will put all the moisture back into your leather and your vinyl. And it smells really good. All these products smell really good. So now we're just going to buff that product on. And as you can hear by the neighbor's dog, they do not care about their dog. They leave it out all day long in this Florida heat. And we'll do the headrest too. You can do that with your cleanser. And you'll do the backs of the seat, every bit of leather that you can find.
Or vinyl.
Or vinyl. And I'm in the mood for a really good joke, so why don't you pause the video right now, go comment, send me a really good joke. We need a good one.
We need a good laugh.
We need a good laugh in these times right now. They're tough. People are really struggling out there, trying to keep their spirits up. I mean, how can you have a good spirit when I don't know, just for instance, a box of Scott towels, the blue ones that we use, are up almost $40 just in the last couple of years. So what I'm doing is putting the moisture back into the leather, and if it's really dried out on you and you're worried about it, all you have to do is put it on and let it set before you buff it out. All right, so what I have to do, use the same microfiber, and I can actually buff this off with the same towel. And this is a 2015, so the leather's in really good shape because we've done this to it every year. Down in Florida, when you run your air conditioning a lot, that sucks the moisture out of your leather as well. Okay, now the final step is using this stuff right here. And again, all these tools will be in the show more. And what I do is I just get it mixed up like this a little bit till it's creamy again. And I put a little bit on, and I use my whole hand. This is the most time-consuming part of it, and I'll let this set for probably 20 minutes or so and really let it get in there. And if you can keep this stuff warm, it spreads really good. And this will protect it from drying out. You can do this probably once every 6 months or every spring. Get it right down into the cracks. It works on perforated seating as well. And it puts a nice protective coating on there so you're not chafing it with your jeans and the moisture is going back in. Now we'll do the bolsters. And as I said, this is the most time-consuming part of it right here. So we'll do the headrest. We got some really good videos coming up for Sweet Project Cars, but make sure you check out our new channel, Mr. Know-It-All. A lot of fix everything, quick tip type stuff. You'll love that channel. If you like doing everything yourself and sick of paying people, all you need is a few products and you'll be good to go. I think that it's really satisfying to have your car looking nice and taking care of it. So there. Now I'll let that set out in the sun. In the Florida sun, it won't take long. It'll absorb right into it. But for the video, we're just going to buff it off. But you want to get it so it's warm. Warmer weather, the better it soaks in. And it's funny, with all the products that are out there, the 3 products that we found work the very best are all from the same company. And I could go into each product and break them down and tell you all about them, but there's no sense in it. You just have to trust us that you'll be glad you did this. Now we'll do the headrest. Like Consuelo said, this works great on vinyl as well. Because you know why vinyl cracks? Dries out. Now doesn't that look beautiful? What do you think there, Consuelo?
I love it. Thank you.
This happens to be her car. Well, Sweet Project Cars out.